Join me this morning. We're at Bamboo Bungalows. It's just a quick walking tour, just to give you an idea of what the place looks like and roughly where it is. So, down here, about 100 yards, is the sea, where you will find Artemis, which is the boat that can bring you over. We have Dive Concepts here. We have Finn Island, which is a great place for food. So that gives you a bit of context of where we are. It's not a room review, it's just an overall view of you staying here. What it looks like. Oh, the kind of nice little courted private bungalows here, which are quite nice. Lovely. Hammock, plenty of shade, and some soft furnishings outside. So there seems to be a row of these going along. The hut style. Looks like there's 5 of those all in a row. And they all look to be the same. Yeah, let's have a quick look round. They're going to stay in here next week.
Yeah, sorry, but we fully booked.
Oh, so I'm going to get a little room tour. The lady's going to show me round. Oh, that looks very nice. Look at that. That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, the aircon here, absolutely beautiful. The room is very well made up.
Bathroom in outside. I will show you.
Yeah, please, yeah. Oh, you kind of like got a little bar thing going on here.
Yeah,
you can have your own little
so if you like the
little
cocktail,
cocktail.
you can party in here.
I like it.
And we have also hot shower in here, yeah?
Oh, that's brilliant, hot shower as well. Yeah, because a lot of the places where I stay don't have a hot shower. It's only a cold shower.
We need it.
Wow, look at this. This is very well presented. Beautiful. Very private as well. Okay, now they don't have a pool. Apparently it's still under construction, the lady just told me. You got a little bit of an area.
Sharing with our neighbor for the pool.
So you share with your neighbour?
Yes.
Yeah.
But they also have the repair about the pool because it's leaking.
Ah, okay. So their pool's leaking, so okay.
Yes, 1 week.
In 1 week it will be ready.
Yes.
Okay, so no pool tour. But look at that, that's beautiful. You could just sit out here with a cocktail at
Yes,
night
you can do yoga, maybe.
Yeah, I don't think I'm doing yoga. Here we go. Okay.
So you can relax, read a books. But I hope you're not what's the name, allergy with the birds. Because we have in the morning we have a lot of birds like singing in our garden.
Yeah, morning birds. Wake you up in the morning. Okay. So you're making a 2-meter pool, which will be ready in October 2025, and an additional, is it 6 huts you're building? 6 more?
Yes, 6 more.
6 more of these?
Yes, so maybe next time you will stay with us in the new.
Yeah, in the new one, it's all new. So we've got this one over here.
Thank you very much.
This one. England, I'm from England.
Oh, next time my boss.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is going to be absolutely beautiful when it's done.
Thank you very much.
And the lady said it's $1 million in high season and maybe $500,000, a little bit more in low season.
For this month, it's like 1 million.
Yeah, but this month it's high season now, so it's $1 million now. Okay, look at that, that's great. The lady was so nice to show me around. Yes, I've got sunburn, fell asleep on the boat yesterday. I got travel sick, diving on the boat because it was rough. And I fell asleep for an hour in the sun, and I've got a face like the sun. Everything is very sore at the moment. Back to topic, the lady was so nice to show me around. It looks like what the building's going to be absolutely fantastic when it's done. I actually popped directly across the road to review another place as well, straight afterwards. And you can't go wrong. The combination of the building here is absolutely stunning. It's at such a high level, and if you work out the price to charge it ain't that much. Alright, it's expensive compared to a lot of places, but it ain't that, it's a bargain when you think about it. So if you want to check these places out and look at more of my videos and see what else I'm reviewing, get on it.